Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove all of them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button, but if this list in your case is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply enter clear browsing data, because here you will be able to remove browsing history with actually one click. So here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies inside data and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill form data and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or 4 weeks. So let me pick 7 days, for example. And all you have to do right now, if you're ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is empty. So it means that we successfully reset and actually remove all the data. So starting from the browsing history and ending on the, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.